you're doing well. Today we will see two articles from Hindu newspaper. The first one is the pandemic imposes a steep learning curve, and the second one is science versus nonsense. Here comes the first word, pedagogic. Pedagogic is basically related to teaching, pedagogical skills. When you say a teacher, like teacher, you have a great pedagogical skills. So this is related to teaching. Second word is unrelenting. Unrelenting is basically not yielding in strength, severity, or determination. By this figure, you can make out like this guy is pulling this animal, but this animal is not moving an inch. So this is like not yielding in strength. Third word is panacea. Panacea is basically solution or remedy for all difficulties. This is very common word. You can use this word. This word has been used a lot of times in the newspaper. A solution or remedy for all difficulties. Panacea, very easy word. Profiteous. Profiteous is basically when you make excessive money, excessive profit, and that too illegally. That is known as profiteous, profiteering, right? And the placebo. Placebo is like basically a medicine which has more of a psychological benefit than physiological effect, right? Placebo, like mind strengthening, mind storming, like sort of things. Whenever your mind is strong, you get cured just because your mind was strong. So mind plays a big role in the entire body, and if your mind is strong, you can do a lot of things in your life. So that is more of a psychological benefit. Subversion is basically when you undermine the power and authority of an established system or institutions. Like there are a lot of religion which say we have our own religion which is very superior and we have our own law. So we won't be following the constitution and any sort of thing. So that is basically subversion. Now comes the editorial part, the pandemic, and let's see how the first word was used. The first word was used like from a purely pedagogic point of view, it is clear that technology will play a bigger role in education in the coming years. Pedagogic, like related to teaching, right? This is the word which they have used. You can also use this sentence in your opening line of your essay part, and I've also made this line bold, which will you will see the PDF in the Telegram channel. Please connect to the Telegram channel, and you can also see my blog link, wherein you can find easily this all articles. I have made this article bold. In the wake of pandemic, other countries have embraced online education with mixed enthusiasm, right? And I guess this one, pedagogic. Now the second article, this 4 to 5 lines was very important. You will see a lot of words which are very confusing. The unrelenting spread of COVID-19 has set off both mass and anxiety. A clamor for panacea, right? Clamor for panacea. Clamor is basically a loud noise. When a lot of people are making noise, you hardly understand what's going on. So that is a clamor. Panacea is like a solution to all disease, all difficulties. Unrelenting is like you're not yielding in strength or determination. No determination, right? You can read this entire line now. You will get to know a lot of things. Fear paves the way for profiteers. Again, amazing line. Fear paves the way for profiteers. Like there are a lot of business which are like done on the part of fear mongering. They used to earn money by inducing fear in the masses. So that is known as profiteers. And you will see the next word is like placebo has been used. The clinical trial tested the drug on 45 and another 50 were administered a placebo. Placebo was more that most of the people were treated psychologically rather than having a physiological effect. So that was the thing. And you will see the last word, subversion, which has been used like therefore, the company claims of cure by all accounts was clear subversion of the scientific process. Like they have subverted the scientific process. They have undermined the scientific process. So this was all about today. And please don't abuse this guy. At least he has done something for the society. And for Corona, I will say that you have to stay fit. You have to stay strong. There's nothing called you will be afraid of like what has happened. What is this disease all about? There's nothing to afraid of it. You have to fight back. You have to come up with this disease, and trust me, this will get over within coming time. And just remain patient and don't get out of home. So this was all for today. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. If you enjoy this video, press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much, and bye bye, take care.